Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
One street food that not just kids but adults love as well is the Frankie. So today I'm going to show you how to make a quick chicken Frankie. I've heated a pot here and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil becomes hot, I'm going to saute 3 finely chopped onions till they are nice and translucent. The onions have turned soft. Now let's add a teaspoon of ginger paste and a teaspoon of garlic paste and saute it till the raw fragrance goes off. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and saute it for a minute. Here I have 3/4 kg of boneless chicken which I've cut into tiny pieces and I've marinated it with half a lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed and cumin seed powder and some salt. I had marinated this chicken overnight and I'm going to add this to the onions. I'm going to keep the flame on a high and sear the chicken for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to reduce the flame and cover and cook the chicken in its own juices. It's been 5 to 7 minutes that we had covered the chicken to cook. And let's check if it's done. Yes, this is all ready. Usually boneless chicken does not take too long to cook, and if you overcook it, it becomes really hard. I'm going to add some freshly chopped coriander to this. So we'll mix this really well now and then we'll head on to make the Frankie. So I have some plain flour chapatis here which I'm going to fry in butter, very little butter. I'm just going to beat 2 eggs. Just going to get this chapati off. Add a little more butter. Pour half of the beaten egg. We want a thin layer. And I'm going to just put this chapati on this. Make sure that the egg sticks to the chapati. It's done. I have some finely chopped onions here, which I'm going to sprinkle on this. I'm going to sprinkle some Frankie Masala. It's easily available in the market. I have some fresh green chilies which I've finely chopped and soaked them into vinegar for an hour. I'm going to add this as well to give it a nice chatpata taste. And now I'm going to just put in some of the chicken stuffing on the side here so it's easy for us to roll. Fold it from one corner a little bit and then roll the Frankie. I've got some foil here which I'm going to use to cover these. Let's keep this aside. Let's similarly make another one. These chicken Frankies are ready to be eaten. Please try this recipe for your hungry tots when they come back from school or for yourself when you're tired and you want to eat something chatpata. So do try this dish and let me know.